Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Lex, your human guide to building digital confidence through tech tools and web design.
Welcome to Session 4, Part 2, Cloud Storage, Saving and Retrieving, and File Size. In this session, you'll learn 3 important skills. First, how to save a file to the cloud and open it on another device. Second, you'll understand bytes, kilobytes, megabytes, and gigabytes, and learn how to compress files to reduce their size. And third, you'll learn how to choose the right place to store your files, whether that's locally on your device, in the cloud, or on removable storage. So, what is storage? Storage is simply where your files are saved. Think of it like a digital cupboard for your documents, pictures, and videos. Storage matters because you need it to keep your work safe, and different types of storage have different uses depending on what you need. There are 3 main types of storage you should know about. Local storage, which is saved directly on your device. ESOL cloud storage, which is saved online. And removable storage like USB sticks. Let's look at each one. Local storage means saving your files directly on your device, like your computer, laptop, or phone. The key thing here is that you don't need internet to open them. There are some great benefits to local storage. It's fast and works offline, making it perfect for personal files you need quick access to. However, there is a risk. If your device breaks or gets lost, you could lose all your files. So it's important to back up important documents. Removable storage means saving your files on a device you can plug in and take out, like a USB stick or SD card. These are physical devices you can carry with you. Removable storage is portable, so you can take your files anywhere you go. It also works without internet, which is really convenient. But be careful. These small devices can be lost or damaged easily, so they're best for transferring files rather than long-term storage. Cloud storage means saving your files online instead of just on your computer. The beauty of cloud storage is that you can open your files from any device that has internet access. Your files are stored on secure servers maintained by companies like Google or Microsoft. Cloud storage has many benefits. You can access your files from anywhere, whether you're at home, at work, or on the go. You can easily share files with tutors or classmates. Your files stay safe even if your device breaks or gets stolen. And you can use the same files on your phone, tablet, or computer. This makes cloud storage incredibly flexible and secure. Let's look at some popular cloud storage services. Google Drive lets you save documents, images, and videos. OneDrive is great for storing and sharing Microsoft files like Word or Excel documents. iCloud is Apple's service for saving photos and files from Apple devices. And Dropbox is popular for sharing large files and folders with others. Each service works similarly, so once you learn one, you can use others too. Let's compare these storage types side by side. Local storage works offline and doesn't need internet, but isn't portable and has a risk of device damage. Removable storage works offline, is portable, and doesn't need internet, but can be lost or broken. Cloud storage is portable and works on any device, but it does need internet access and has a small risk if you lose your password. Each type has its place, and often the best approach is to use a combination of all 3. Now let's walk through how to actually save files to Google Drive. It's easier than you might think. Here's the process. First, open drive.google.com in your web browser and sign in with your Google account. Second, click the New button, then select File Upload and choose the file you want to upload from your computer. Third, once uploaded, your file will appear in My Drive. If you want to organize it, right-click on the file and select Move to place it in a specific folder. That's it. Your file is now safely stored in the cloud. Once your file is in the cloud, you can access it from anywhere. On a phone or tablet, just open the Google Drive app, find your file, and you can either open it directly or download it to your device. On another computer, go to drive.google.com, sign in with the same Google account, and open your file. This is the real power of cloud storage. Your files follow you wherever you go. Now let's talk about file sizes. Understanding file sizes helps you manage your storage effectively. File size means how big a file is, or how much space it takes up on your computer or phone. Files are measured in units, and the most common ones you'll see are kilobytes, megabytes, and gigabytes. Let's break down these units. A kilobyte, or KB, is small and typically used for text documents. A megabyte, or MB, is medium-sized and is what you'll see for photos or short videos. And a gigabyte, or GB, is large and is used for movies or big folders with lots of files. Understanding these helps you know what will fit on your device or how long something will take to upload. Here's an easy way to think about it. 1 kilobyte is about 1,000 letters or characters of text. 1 megabyte is roughly one photo from your phone, and 1 gigabyte is around 1 hour of video. These aren't exact measurements, but they give you a good sense of scale. So why does file size matter? Well, small files are faster to send or upload, which saves you time. Big files, on the other hand, may need more storage space or take longer to open and share. The good news is you can compress files to make them smaller, which we'll look at next. Compressing files is simple. On Windows, right-click the file, go to Send to, and select Compressed Zipped folder. On Mac, right-click and choose Compress. For images specifically, you can save them as lower quality or a smaller size to reduce the file size. Compressed files are perfect for emailing or uploading when you're on a slow internet connection. To finish up, practice drive uploads and compressing different file types. This will demonstrate that you've successfully mastered cloud storage and file compression. Well done on completing session 4, part 2. Remember to hit like and subscribe to Learn with Lex for more tips on building digital confidence.